The most shocking archaeological find that rewrites human history. Not a pyramid, but a corroded box of gears pulled from a 2,000-year-old shipwreck that has baffled scientists for a century. This is the Antikythera Mechanism, the ancient computer that, according to our history books, simply should not exist. A mysterious discovery in a Roman shipwreck. Our story begins in 1900, off the Greek island of Antikythera. Sponge divers found a Roman cargo ship that sank in the 1st century before Christ. They brought up stunning statues, a true treasure trove. But amidst the art was an unremarkable, calcified lump of bronze, mistaken for a rock. It was sent to the National Archaeological Museum in Athens and forgotten. Valerios Stais finds an impossible gear. 2 years later, on May 17, 1902, archaeologist Valerios Stais noticed the lump had broken apart, revealing something impossible, a gear wheel. He saw intricate bronze gears inside. His colleagues dismissed it as a modern clock, unable to fathom such precision could be ancient. But Stais knew he had found something that challenged our entire understanding of the past. The shocking complexity of an ancient machine. The real shock came decades later. Using X-rays and advanced imaging, scientists uncovered not one gear, but a complex system of at least 37 interlocking bronze gears. This was no simple clock. It was an astronomical calculator of breathtaking sophistication. It predicted the positions of the sun and moon, tracked the Olympic Games, and even forecast eclipses with accuracy. It accounted for the moon's irregular orbit with an engineering feat not seen again for 1,500 years. A lost branch of human technological genius. This discovery is more than a curiosity, it's a ghost. It proves the ancient Greeks possessed mechanical knowledge we attributed to Renaissance geniuses like Da Vinci. It suggests a lost history of technology, a path of innovation completely erased. If this one device survived, how many others were lost in fires like Alexandria's library? This single object questions the entire linear progression of human invention. The greatest secret the mechanism reveals. The most profound secret it reveals isn't just what the ancients knew, but the scale of what we truly lost. It represents a technological lineage that was cut short. Had this knowledge survived and been built upon, the Industrial Revolution might have happened 1,000 years earlier. We are looking at a remnant from a forgotten scientific golden age, a testament to a future that never was. A truth ignored for 50 years. For over 50 years, the academic world ignored it. The mechanism was too inconvenient, too disruptive to the timeline of history. The truth wasn't covered up, it was dismissed by institutional inertia. It took pioneers and modern imaging to force the world to see the irrefutable proof of ancient genius. A reminder of our forgotten past. The Antikythera Mechanism is a stark reminder that history is not a straight line. It's a fragmented story with chapters torn out, leaving us wondering what impossible truths are still buried. The greatest mysteries are not in some distant galaxy, but right here in our own forgotten past.